Oh no, a meaningless remote that barely works. Actually, I don't think it worked at all. I got this with one of my shitty camcorders that I got like years and years ago. I tried using it on the camcorders and it didn't work, and it's just been sitting collecting dust. And yeah, it's not any specific fun brand that everyone wants. It's just like a weird knockoff. So who cares? I don't want to hit the wall, so it's like hard to hit it. What if I just slam it? That works too, I guess. Oh my fucking god, man. Well, that's it, I guess.